Smighty Stones? What a nice present. And it isn't even my birthday today.
To me, every day is your birthday, boss.
Did everyone design a train car to ride in? Mine is forest themed. Mine's all fishy-wishy. Mine even sounds fast.
Mine's remote controlled.
What do you mean it's going to be blue? I like blue. But I want pink. Blue. Pink. Blue. Pink. Oh, dear. They've gone all brother and sister again. Fine. I'm making my own train car. Me too.
Oh, this gives me an idea. A very fiendish idea.
Behold! I give you the Train Swiper Deluxe! It lays its own tracks, snatches railroad cars, and will even brush your teeth for you!
That's the ticket. The train ticket. All aboard! We're gonna steal some stones! You've just been choo-choo skidooed. I'm going to get your Smighty Stones and you can't even catch me! Yeah!
I'll just calculate a way to stop you.
My train car is gonna be so much better than yours! No way! Mine's gonna be even bigger! Hey! Wait a minute! Yours is just like mine! Sneevil!
To the train cars, and is going for the Smighty Stones.
Oh, we have to stop him! And I've got the train car to do it! No, I do! I do! Stop it! Your cars are exactly alike because you're both more like each other than not! So start acting like it! Put her there, sis! Back at you, bro! We have a Sneevil to stop before he gets to the stones! And we have just the train cars to do it! Who goes first? You! No, you! No, you! Rock, paper, scissors! Yes! Everyone on!
Octo dudes, lend us a tentacle. All right.
Slimy!
Slow, low, low, low. Ah.
Woohoo! We're almost at the top! Come on, Zip! We could do this together! 1, 2, 3! Whoa! without Zip. Zip, 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 zip. Onto the beat track. Zip, zip, zip. Zip, zip, zip. Well, it was fun while it lasted. Let's go!
I'm finally gonna discover the origin of the Smighty Stones.
I'll find the stones first, of course. You can't even find your own butts!
Stop! There's a speck of dust on the humidity gauge. I'll have to redo the safety checks.
Gotta be kidding!
The majority of time travel accidents happen due to a lack of proper safety checks, Melody, and...
I wonder what this button does.
Hey, where's Nardo?
Don't you want to solve the mystery of the stones? The source of all our powers?
Yeah, but the past is much scarier than I expected.
Come on, it's gonna be fun! A prehistoric cactus!
No, wait! Rat cave dive! Let's do it again! We are so doomed!
Dragons! Let's get closer.
We found the stone, so now we can play. Hello.
Huh? It's Sneevil and Biggs. They must have followed us back in time.
Let's get out of here.
Don't cry, Blue. We'll help you get your stone back.
Uh-huh. Yeah,
Uh-huh.
we sure
Yeah,
will.
we will.
Here you go.
Ew! I think your stone is what we've been looking for. That's why we're here. Please let us help you get it back. What are you saying? Something about a slumbering donkey climbing pineapple trees in springtime? No, wait. Lumbering monkey? That makes no sense. Yeah, I have no idea what it's saying.
I actually speak some dragon. Little creatures help dragon get back stone of stones.
Great! Wait, who are you calling little?
You beautiful, wonderful. Biggs, stop farting. I'm directly downwind from your butt. Faster, Biggs, faster.
Faster, Zeb, faster!
What's he saying now? I protect the Stone of Stones against evil dragon since beginning of time until little scared creature distracted me. You will help me climb out on my head and target the red dragon.
But I can't. I'm scared of heights and flying, and did I already mention heights? Okay.
I still have the floaty stone.
Look out, Bart!
That's over.
Me too! I am great Grandpa Smighty.
Whoa, that's a lot of greats.
I've been expecting you. Now, watch this.
How about that?
Scientifically astounding.
Can't believe it.
And now, the responsibility for protecting the Smighty Stones is yours.
Time to go home. Time travel pod, go! And this is the amazing story I wrote about the creation of our Smighty Stones.
Oh, what a wonderful story. I wish it was a true story.
Only two people can tell that for sure. Sneevil and Biggs!
Should we hug again?
Absolutely not.